The service reminder feature in Moiboo allows workshops and service centers to automate follow-up reminders for upcoming maintenance, ensuring timely vehicle servicing and improve customer retention. Step 1. Accessing the job sheet. Navigate to Job card on the top navigation bar. Select Job Sheet from the drop-down menu. Fill in or open the relevant job sheet details: customer name, service type, out date, next service date. Click the Set Reminder button located at the bottom bar of the job sheet window. Step 2. Configuring the service reminder. In the Create Reminder pop-up window, configure the following settings. Reminder type. Confirm the type is set to service reminder. Start from. Choose the trigger base date, next service due date, last service date, or custom date. Set the lead time under reminder before, 5 days. Repeat. Choose the frequency, one time or every X months. And when. Define when the recurring series stops, never, end after X occurrences, or end on a specific date. Notes. Optional: enter any relevant details or internal instructions for the reminder. Click Save Reminder. Step 3. Managing and executing reminders. Go to Calendar icon from the dashboard to view all the reminders. Dashboard Overview. Track key metrics including total reminders, active, due soon, sent, delivered, and filled. Bulk sending. Click the green Send Today's WhatsApp Reminders button at the top to dispatch automated WhatsApp reminders scheduled for the day. Manual actions. Locate a specific reminder in the list and click the Action drop-down menu on the right to edit, modify reminder settings or schedules. Send WhatsApp. Manually trigger an instant WhatsApp message.
Mail reminder. Manually send an email notification to the customer.